fond memories of my mom, especially when she was baking in the kitchen. Several times a week, she would whip up something homemade and sweet, and it would bring her joy. What was most noticeable is that her mood would change from frazzled to giving. Something about baking for the family would change her entire state of mind. What I enjoyed most about her was that when we would have unexpected visitors, she could zip out recipes like brownies and blondies and carrot cake with her eyes closed. Holidays and weekend visits at my grandparents' would provide additional opportunities for her baking. What I love most about my mom is that she would find joy in the simplicity of giving to others through food.